Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long, but let's get started. We're gonna be doing Maddy's iconic liner. I'm using this eyeliner by Essence. It's a super precise liner. I prefer to use one with like a brush like this just because it's like more flexible for me. So I like to start off by doing a line and I like to extend it like really out. I probably should have done it more like straight instead of curved up, but I don't know how I was gonna clean that up. So anyways, I like to just go ahead and start lining the top, and I like to keep looking in the mirror after each step just so I can see I'm doing everything right. It's easier to add rather than to like take off, you know. So as you can see, I'm just gonna start lining it, and I'm trying to keep it as thin as possible because she does have it pretty thin. So I'm just like going very slowly with this step, and I'm just gonna be lining this part and then filling it in. Okay, you guys, so now that I have that done, I'm just gonna go ahead and start aligning the inner corner. I'm not gonna be extending it out yet. I just like to make sure it's pretty even and everything flows very smoothly. So you will see me going back in a lot just to make everything nice and smooth. So I already did the other eye just to show you guys what I'm gonna be doing on the eye that we're working with. So now I'm gonna start extending it, and with this I recommend you to wipe off your brush on a paper towel just so it's not so saturated, because if you have watery eyes, the more you blink the more it's gonna like bleed. So that's why you see me like doing a lot of the drying, just because my eyes tend to get watery when I'm start working on my inner corner. Okay, so now for this step, what you basically want to do is just create a triangle and just connect the line to the liner that we already did. And that's going to be pretty much it for this step. Just don't, you could drag it out to however much you want. It's all preference. So now for my bottom one, I like to like kind of pull on my eyelid a little with my pinky just to kind of get the liner in there so it's just not like so thick. So that's pretty much what I'll do, and I'll just end up like filling in any little mistakes I felt that I needed. And then after this step, I'm just gonna grab any black gel liner for your waterline. I'm honestly not sure what brand this is because I've had it for so long. I probably shouldn't be using it, but the brand like name is all faded and everything, but you could use anyone, is fine, just as long as it's black. Alright, you guys, so the final step is just to put on mascara and lashes, of course. I went for some more simple ones at first, but at the end you're gonna see me change them to some more dramatic ones. The only reason I used the very like less dramatic ones was because in her look she doesn't really have so much dramatic lashes. She lets the eyeliner do all the speaking. And yeah, so this is the final product, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys all did enjoy this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in my future videos. So thank you guys again so much for watching.